The next question for today is like how the executors actually work. So what happens that when they get the partitions like the chunk of data, say so they put each partition on one core inside them, and then the logic processing that needs to be done happens on each core on each partition. So one core equal to one partition sometimes when it is equal. But what happens that suppose you have 20 partitions and you have 5 cores example, then it will go like 4 repetitions, like in 4 cycles it will get executed, and inside that you have the processing like the JVM that actually does the transformation, applies the code or the directed a cyclic graph or the execution plan that it gets, whatever the process needs to be done. So that happens inside the executor. So they have a memory and they have like a executor cores that use that memory for caching data. Like you have multiple the group by operation or the shuffling operations where the data is getting moving between different executors, that is also handled within the executors. So when we talk about the big data processing, where it processes, it is actually inside the executor. So this all operation I think happens in the executor part. It is important that we understand how many cores are actually inside the executors and how we are configuring or how we are taking the instance. We should take the instance according to the data or the number of like the quantity of data that we have. So this influences how much time it will take. That is all about the executors I think. If anything comes up, I'll share again.